Friends, only last year, the team of NASA's famous scientist heroine said to the world that they have now made a way to travel anywhere in the universe, in the blink of an eye, tearing the speed of light. Meaning now such a drive engine has been made. In this, we can reach from one place to another by generating waste in the literal space-time, traveling like surfing. But 1 minute, when Einstein proved easy call Times Square, he said that nothing can break the speed of light. Even after giving the concept of relativity, Einstein had also found a way to run faster than light. So why did Einstein hide it from the world? January 2006, NASA's Atlas V rocket set a new world record during the launch of the Horizons mission. But, even after making such fast things, it is still taking us humans about 6 months to reach the nearest Jupiter, that too, when most of the time we are in empty space, without atmospheric or tracking. To deal with this problem, different NASA teams are working on designing different types of high-speed rocket engines. In fact, one of them turned out to be Team Lightspeed, which was raised. We have already told about this engine in detail. Now is the time not to run at light speed, but to go beyond it. So that's why in today's video we will just focus making humans an interplanetary species by traveling faster than light. One day when Miguel suddenly wondered what the fastest thing in the universe was, Einstein's concepts of relativity were revealed to him. He remembered that Einstein had previously proved that light travels the fastest. Miguel thought, why not try to create a technology that would somehow contract the spacetime fabric before the spacecraft, and could not expire the fabric behind it. It would be like surfboarding on the high waves of an ocean, and even in the ocean, if we try to reach somewhere prepared on our own, we will move obviously slow. But at the same time, if we use the crust and drugs of its surface, then itself will take us to our destination faster. To create high wealth by manipulating the surface of an ocean yourself. Creating wealth in a jacuzzi is not as easy as manipulating the fabric of spacetime, and by heavy here I mean, a heavy object to win close to Jupiter. When we have to pull up the spacetime fabric behind our spacecraft. Because to create you in spacetime it is needed, negative maths or negative energy with opposite nature. And then with these two positive and negative matches, our specific point S will move to B. It is actually seen that when 2 or 3 conducting places are placed close to each other in the vacuum chamber, both the places get pushed towards each other. According to phenomena, when electromagnetic waves like light try to pass through these places surprisingly allow only a few web-lengths electromagnetic waves to pass through them, due to which the density of whales is on the outside of the place increases, and they begin to push replace towards the inner lone city region. That is, just like a vacuum-filled cocaine pushes the outside air in. Now because all this game is about electromagnetic energy. That too at the microscopic level. You can understand how many sophisticated detectors and pensions would be required to study the nominal in this. With this pension, when Lone's team laid their eyes on these detectors, they saw something they had never seen before on their computers. He saw an energy-dense region is forming in the middle of the experiment setup, which is somewhat similar to the negative energy or negative mess involved in a warp drive. That is, what the scientists were thinking till now. It is almost impossible to find something like that negative match. Finally you saw a ray of hope for him. Because now behind our spacecraft there is also a recipe for making negative energy to expand the space-time family. We just have to improve it so that we can produce it on a large scale. According to you, how much more time it will take? You have to answer this question in the comment box below. If you got to learn something new from this video, then definitely give a like. And if you want to see more similar online videos, please subscribe the channel to increase your knowledge. And turn on the all notification option by turning on the notification bell, so that you can never miss such information videos. Thank you.